introducing our range of greeting cards. So obviously the first thing you notice is that they are in Te Reo Māori and they have the English translation in the back, so you know what you're buying. Inside is blank with a translation in the back, plus information about our business, so you have more surety of knowing what you're buying. These are made in New Zealand. Our printer is FSC certified. If you're a retailer, there is a barcode and confirmation that we are a Māori business. Oops, just dropped that. But I wanted to try to make the sound so you could hear. You can tell the quality of our cards by the sound they make. It's difficult to see in a video just how thick and solid they are, but you can hear it when you make the noise on it. Similarly, we use a high grade of envelopes, so they are quality cards plus envelopes when you buy one of ours, and they come in 2 different sizes. The best thing about our cards is that they are smudge proof. Now, a lot of people think when they buy a card and they write in it and it smudges that it's the pen. It's not the pen. See how on the inside it was fine, but if I try to write on the outside, it smudges. That's because a lot of cheaper greeting cards will be coated on both the outside and the inside. It's cheaper to make them like that. But quality cards will have coating on the outside and uncoated on the inside, like ours. So they're smudge proof.